Hello everyone, this is Miriam from Courses App Support Team, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a SCORM file onto your course. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Shopify admin and go to Apps. In Apps, click on Courses. In Courses, click on the blue button on the top right corner which is inscribed Create a Course. Now we can see two buttons here, whether to create a course or to upload from a SCORM file. Currently we are uploading from a SCORM file, so we click on Upload from a SCORM file. Once you click on Upload from a SCORM file, it gives you the opportunity to either drag and drop or to add a SCORM file. In my case, I'm going to drag and drop. Now I have dragged and dropped my course with the name Getting Started with Shopify Online. It has been successfully created and it has 2 sections and 15 lessons here. So now click on OK. Now let's go to my courses to see if indeed our SCORM file has been successfully uploaded onto Courses app. So now click on my courses. Scroll. Oh, here it lies. Click on it. Wow, indeed, our course contains 2 sections and 15 lessons as we just uploaded it. We hope this video is going to help you upload successfully all your SCORM files onto Courses app without any problem. Thank you very much. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.